Okay folks, so I think I've found out the issue, and WD-40 is definitely my friend for this one. So let's go and I'll show you what I did. So as we see this steering wheel column here under here, I thought it was the one of those bolts that twist that one or that one, but it turned out to be this part right here, this leverage part. Not sure what it's called, but let me zoom in on it. Yes, this part right here. When you go down with the steering wheel or up, it moves. So let's try to get that in the video real quick for you. Did you see that right there? It moves when the steering wheel goes up or down when you turn on or turn off your car. You see that? You see that? So it looks like there was not enough lubricant in between those two metal pieces, and now I sprayed some WD-40 and it looks like that helped, and no more noise, guys. So we figured that out. So I'm gonna post this up so you guys could definitely you know, not have this issue and not worry about if you could fix it or not. All right, see you guys later.